250 years. To every American who served, and to everyone who came before us to build this great nation, thank you. We stand on your shoulders. To honor 250 years, I'm tearing down things that have been around that long and still work today. Take this grist mill. It starts with the wheel. Water pours into these buckets, and gravity pulls them down, and the whole wheel turns. No fuel, no engine. Inside, this giant wooden pit wheel turns a smaller gear called the wallower, flipping the spin sideways and speeding it up. That spins the runner stone over the bed stone. Here's the trick. They never actually touch. Grain gets sheared, not crushed. Up top, grain trickles from the hopper down a wooden shoe. A little shaker keeps it feeding, kernel by kernel, all day. Now watch it all at once. Water turns the wheel turns the gears spin the stone, grinding. And out pours flour. Here's the kicker. George Washington ran a mill just like this, and his still grinds today at Mount Vernon. Still here after 250 years. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me what I should tear down next. Happy 250th, America.